Hello friends. Today we start our Chrome browser and search it Google Bard. Here's our first search in a Google Bard. Here's the first website. Then we open this website and here's you can see that some things are written here and here is try Bard. So we select it and here's the terms and condition of Bard. So we get more and allow the permission and to continue it. And here's we write a hi and it will reply us. How can I assist you today? How can I help you? So we will write here. Write a code for a ATM in Python language. So it will show a full code for Python coding and show a full code of Python programming for a ATM project. So now we are writing here and send it and it will process and now it show a result of Python code. Here's our Python code and here we write an other code for HTML language. We write a calculator code in a HTML language. So we will send to the Bard, and Bard will be answer it. Uh, Here's write a full code of calculator in a HTML language. So after that, here's the result of a doc type HTML, and this is the full code of HTML calculator. So now we will ask a question to the Bard to list the Marvel's upcoming movies, and it will show us a full movies list with their pictures. And a chat GPT will not give you the information just like that and never show you a pictures just like that. So we get the 5% rating, 50% rating to the Google Bar. And so here we can see that here's the first movie on 17th February, Ant-Man and the Wasp of the Quantumania, and the second movie is Galaxy Guardian, third The Marvels and the Thunderbolts and the Blade into 2023, and the Avengers and the Kang Dynasty and Deadpool 3, and it show us pictures with their release date. Here's a prompt to enter in a Bard experiment. So it will show us uh, full of things, and it will ask us Avengers Secret War film on 2 May on 2026, and now we are right here. Something you will read. This is bard.ai, bard.ai, and it will show a picture and chat GPT and give you up to date, up to date. But the chat GPT is not up to date. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching this video, and in the next video we will show next things. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Subscribe our channel. Thank